Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jira Software for Scrum sprints and reporting, full guide step by step clearly. To download Jira Software for managing Scrum sprints and reporting, begin by visiting the official Atlassian website. In the top navigation menu, locate the Products section. Click on Jira Software from the drop-down menu. Once on the Jira Software page, look for the Get It Free or Try It Free button. Click on that button to initiate the download process. You will be prompted to create an Atlassian account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, including your email address and desired password. After entering your details, click Sign Up to create your account. Next, you will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Jira Software page. Now you can choose between a cloud or server version. For the cloud version, click on Try Cloud. If you prefer the server version, select Download under the server option. Follow the prompts to choose your operating system for the server version. Click on the download link relevant to your operating system. Save the installation file to your computer. After downloading, locate the file in your Downloads folder and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Jira Software. Once installed, open the Jira application. Log in with the Atlassian account you created. Now you can set up your first Scrum project by selecting Create Project from the dashboard. Choose Scrum as your project type. Fill in the necessary project details, such as name and key. Click Create to finalize your project setup. You can now manage Scrum sprints and track reporting within Jira Software. Explore additional features to customize your project as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.